Hello! Welcome to our word learning show. I am happy you are here with me today. Today we will learn 50 new English words. We will learn what they mean. We will make sentences. We will also practice talking with these words. This will help you use them in real life. Do not worry if this seems hard. We will go slow. We will make it easy and fun. Get a pen and paper if you want. You can write down the words you like best. Are you ready? Let's start learning 50 great new English words together now. Walk means move with your feet. Make a sentence. I walk to school every morning. Conversation. How do you get home? I walk. Run means move very fast with your feet. Make a sentence. I run in the park. Conversation. Why are you late? I had to run here. Eat means put food in your mouth. Make a sentence. I eat lunch at noon. Conversation. Are you hungry? Yes, let's eat something. Drink means put liquid in your mouth. Make a sentence. I drink water every day. Conversation. What do you want? I want to drink juice. Sleep means rest with your eyes closed. Make a sentence. I sleep 8 hours. Conversation. You look tired. Yes, I need to sleep now. Talk means use your mouth to make words. Make a sentence. We talk every day. Conversation. Can we talk later? Sure, let's talk tonight. Listen means use your ears to hear sounds. Make a sentence. I listen to music. Conversation. What are you doing? I'm listening to the radio. Look means use your eyes to see things. Make a sentence. Look at that bird. Conversation. What's over there? I don't know. Let me look. Think means use your brain to have ideas. Make a sentence. I think about my family. Conversation. What's your answer? Let me think about it. Feel means know something with your body or heart. Make a sentence. I feel cold today. Conversation. How are you? I feel great today. Mother means the woman who gave birth to you. Make a sentence. My mother cooks dinner. Conversation. Who is she? She's my mother. Father means the man who is your parent. Make a sentence. My father works hard. Conversation. Where is your dad? My father is at work. Sister means a girl with the same parents. Make a sentence. My sister is funny. Conversation. Do you have siblings? Yes, I have one sister. Brother means a boy with the same parents. Make a sentence. My brother plays games. Conversation. Who is that boy? That's my little brother. Friend means someone you like and know well. Make a sentence. My friend is kind. Conversation. Who are you with? I'm with my best friend. Baby means a very young child. Make a sentence. The baby is cute. Conversation. Whose baby is this? It's my neighbor's new baby. Child means a young person, not an adult. Make a sentence. The child plays outside. Conversation. How many kids do you have? I have one child. Man means an adult male person. Make a sentence. That man is tall. Conversation. Who is he? He's the man from the store. Woman means an adult female person. Make a sentence. The woman is smart. Conversation. Do you know her? Yes, she's a nice woman. Person means any human being. Make a sentence. Every person is different. Conversation. Who called you? Just some person selling things. House means a building where people live. Make a sentence. I live in a small house. Conversation. Where do you live? In a house near the park. Room means a space inside a building. Make a sentence. My room is clean. Conversation. Where should I put this? In the back room, please. Door means you open this to go in or out. Make a sentence. Close the door, please. Conversation. How do I get in? Just open that door. Window means glass opening in a wall. Make a sentence. Open the window for air. Conversation. It's hot in here. Let me open the window. Kitchen means room where you cook food. Make a sentence. I cook in the kitchen. Conversation. Where are the plates? They're in the kitchen. Bed means furniture where you sleep. Make a sentence. My bed is soft. Conversation. Where will I sleep? You can use my bed tonight. Chair means furniture where you sit. Make a sentence. Sit on this chair. Conversation. Where can I sit? There's an empty chair over there. Table means flat surface with legs. Make a sentence. Put the book on the table. Conversation. Where should I eat? At the kitchen table. School means place where children learn. Make a sentence. I go to school daily. Conversation. Where is your son? He's at school right now. Store means place where you buy things. Make a sentence. I shop at that store. Conversation. Where can I buy milk? At the store on Main Street. Food means things you eat to live. Make a sentence. I love Chinese food. Conversation. What do you want? Any food is fine with me. Water means clear liquid you drink. Make a sentence. Water is good for you. Conversation. What should I drink? Just drink some cold water. Milk means white liquid from cows. Make a sentence. I drink milk every morning. Conversation. What's in your coffee? Just hot coffee and milk? Bread means food made from flour. Make a sentence. I eat bread with butter. Conversation. What's for breakfast? Just bread and jam today. Rice means small white grains you cook. Make a sentence. Rice goes with everything. Conversation. What should we make? Let's cook some rice and vegetables. Meat means food that comes from animals. Make a sentence. I cook meat for dinner. Conversation. Are you hungry? Yes, I want some meat and potatoes. Fish means animal that lives in water. Make a sentence. Fish is healthy food. Conversation. What's good here? The fish is very fresh and tasty. Fruit means sweet food that grows on trees. Make a sentence. Fruit has many vitamins. Conversation. What's for dessert? We have fresh fruit and ice cream. Sweet means food that tastes like sugar. Make a sentence. Kids love sweet things. Conversation. How does it taste? It's very sweet and delicious. Hot means food or drink with high temperature. Make a sentence. The soup is very hot. Conversation. Can I eat this? Be careful, it's still very hot. Day means 24 hours from morning to night. Today is a good day. Talk. When will you come? Maybe someday next week. Night means dark time when most people sleep. Good night, sleep well. Talk. When do you work? I work at night, I sleep during the day. Morning means early part of the day. I exercise every morning. Talk. When should we meet? How about tomorrow morning at 9? Week means 7 days together. I work 5 days a week. Talk. How long were you sick? I was sick for 1 whole week. Year means 12 months together. This year is almost over. Talk. When did you move here? I moved here last year in spring. Hot means high temperature makes you sweat. Summer days are very hot. Talk. How's the weather? It's really hot today. Stay inside. Cold means low temperature makes you shiver. Winter nights are very cold. Talk. Do you need a jacket? Yes, it's quite cold outside tonight. Rain means water falling from clouds. I like the sound of rain. Talk. Should we go out? No, it's starting to rain heavily now. Sun means bright star that gives us light. The sun is very bright today. Talk. What's the weather like? Sunny! The sun is shining beautifully. Wind means moving air you can feel. The wind is strong today. Talk. Why are the trees moving? Because there's a lot of wind today. Practice saying each word out loud. This helps your mouth remember how to make the sounds. Use 3 new words every day in real conversations. Start with the easiest words for you. Make your own sentences using these words. Write about your life, family, and daily activities. Listen for these words in movies, songs, and when people talk. You will hear them everywhere. Do not worry about using all 50 words today. Choose 10 words and practice them this week. Great job! You learned 50 simple but very useful English words today. These words are everywhere. You can use these words to talk about family, home, food, actions, and many daily things. Practice a few words each day. Do not try to remember all 50 words at once. Come back tomorrow for 50 more simple words. We will keep building your English vocabulary together. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing and your English will improve every single day.